Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Google, ticker Google, combining recent news and in-depth chart analysis. It's April 16th, 2025, and a lot is happening. Recent news indicates Google is facing headwinds, including a £5 billion lawsuit in the UK over search market dominance. They also suspended millions of advertiser accounts to combat ad fraud. However, Anthropic's AI chatbot is integrating with Google Workspace, which may be a positive. Let's look at the daily chart to see how the market is interpreting this information. The daily chart shows significant volatility. We see a recent dip, but also a strong recovery attempt. From late March to early April, Google experienced a notable decline, testing support levels around $140 before strongly climbing back up to around $160. We can also see a previous peak in early February of 2025 at around $206. We can see considerable volatility stemming from late March to today in mid-April. Keep an eye on the support level around $140. If this level breaks, we could see further downside risk. A resistance level to watch is the recent high around $161. A break above this could signal bullish momentum. Now, let's zoom into the 1-hour chart to analyze short-term trends and potential entry points. The hourly chart is displaying some interesting information. We can also see, since April 15th, the price has been hovering around 156, with very little price movement. On the hourly chart, we see a potential support around $155. However, the news regarding the lawsuit may contribute to bearish pressure, potentially pushing the price down further. Let's zoom into a range of candles from April 11th to April 15th to take a closer look. Taking a closer look at this price range of the 1-hour chart, we can see very little price action at all. Perhaps there are more events and news items we don't have that would clarify the price. Without that information, it's hard to tell what the market wants to do. Let's look at the 15-minute chart for that same range to see if we can clarify our image. On the 15-minute chart, we see more granular price movement. We see price consistently trying to break $160. The market is indecisive in the short term as well. From a short-term perspective, GOOGL's price is currently ranging, with key levels to watch at $155 and $160. A break above $160 could lead to a test of higher resistance levels, while a break below $155 could signal further downside. The £5 billion lawsuit in the UK adds bearish sentiment, but integration of Claude in Google Workspace adds a possible bullish component. Pay close attention to any developments with the tariff situation. Any tariff reprieve news could drastically alter this outlook. For the long term, be cautious if the $140 support is broken. Remember that the analyst mean rating is still positive, according to Reuters. A price movement upwards has a 40% chance of happening. Downwards has a 30% chance. Thank you for watching Explain the Charts, and stay tuned for our next analysis. Remember to do your own research and invest wisely. Good luck trading and goodbye.